I'm going to say Alex Iwobi. I like Alex's hair.
Literally 0 minute.
It's been pretty consistent. I used to have it quite long, probably like 7 years ago, so I'd probably say that was my favourite.
I'd say present. When I was younger, when I was a teenager, I had very long hair. It was cool, it was a bit curly, but I'd say now.
I don't mind this hairstyle at the minute. It's a bit rascal. Did it during lockdown, but I don't think you can beat a short back and sides either.
Never going long hair again?
Sometimes I wish I would, but the thing is, it's a lot of work and you need commitment. It takes time. So I've got very short hair, so if I want to go long, it'll probably take me months. And you know, when you're in between, I don't really like it.
I only really do it for game days, really, or
Literally 0 minute.
game days, or for going out for food or something.
Because I don't do nothing.
It depends on how rushed I'm in the morning. Sometimes it takes me 5 minutes, sometimes it takes me 10 seconds. So time dependent on how quick I get out of bed.
I wake up and I just straight, I'm ready.
Or standard straightforward hair, just like this all the time, if I can do.
So depends on the occasion. Sometimes you go be a bit more smart.
Yeah, I'll tend to stick to one hairstyle.
Or just flop it if I can't avoid putting any wax in it.
Sometimes I would leave it a bit longer, depends on the occasion, but for training and games I go very short.
Slick back, bit of gel, bit of hairspray, bosh.
I just have a different wax that I put in my hair, which is a bit stronger to keep it on my eyes so I can see the ball.
Nah, I put more hairspray on it just to show factors. I want it to just stick there on my head and not think, oh, hair's going to go in my eyes during the game. So yeah, but then about looking good, but I feel good, so that's the main thing.
Got some very interesting ones.
There's a lot of safe trims.
I like Amma when he does his braids. I quite like it.
I'm going to say Alex Iwobi. I like Alex's hair.
Alex is a bit rascal.
Even though he needs to just like wash it every now and then because it does smell.
Seamus Coleman. No, Shay's got a safe trim. I'm trying to think who would actually enjoy trying to do it.
I wouldn't trust no one, honestly.
Because I don't think I'd trust many people to cut hair.
A couple of months ago, Ben wasn't happy with his trim and he tried to trim himself a bit and he went too short on one side or too high and it wasn't. So I don't think we've got a good barber. Probably trust myself.
I'd like to say I'd trust Seamus to cut me hair, whether it'd be a good job or not, but I think he wouldn't try and cut me, so I'm all right.
I'm going to say Dwight because he's my good mate, so I trust him to do a good job.
Mason Holgate, he'd put a massive line straight through the middle of my head. Yeah, he'd kill me.
Connor Cody, because I feel like he'd try and play a prank on me.
Oh, Ben Godfrey, because he's done it to himself and horrible, so.
Yeah, I think teamwork, to be successful is in a team sport, I think the teamwork and the team togetherness is huge to be successful.
It's the most important thing in a team. Any individual can be good, but if he's not part of a team, then he's not going to help the team, so.
It's massive, especially in football, you know. It's 11 players on the pitch, plus the players on the bench who come on, so it's massive.
It comes without saying, if you work well as a team, you play well and you succeed.
We see it every game, you know, it's not how you start a game, it's how you finish the game, and we need everyone.
It's all about the team.
Actually, you know, I know some of my teammates, they're really committed to their haircut. So, you know, they're touching the hair all the time. I'm not like that. I like when it's clean and done, my beard and that.
I like my hair. I feel like I'm quite lucky. And I've got a good hairline, good set of hair. So I'm quite happy and fortunate to have the hair I have.
Doesn't really bother me. As long as I've still got a full head of hair, I'm happy.
I'm happy with the way I look.
Not really. I think more so over the last couple of years since I've been brushing it back, having the slickness to it, but I wouldn't say no.
I think I'd look a lot different if I had no hair, so I'd say so, yeah.
Yeah, you've got to, for me, confidence is another big one as teamwork successful. You need to feel confident, but not too confident. You just need to be confident in what you're capable of doing and your own ability.
Yeah, it's super important and it can come and go very quickly and come back very quickly, so yeah, it's very important.
One of the most important thing on the pitch, you know, you can't play if you don't have confidence, so you've got to feel good about yourself, about the team.
And be confident that you've trained well all week to go into a game on a Saturday and that you're going to do the job. No, doesn't bother me.
I'd like to think not, but I do try and make sure I have good hair days more often than not, so I would say so.
A lot of people watching our games and judging us, and you know, when you're on TV, on camera, you want to look good, and I understand that. Some players having a train before every game because it's important to them. When it's sunny.
Being happy, most of all. knowing that I've had a good week's training.
You know, I'm from the south of France, I need sun.
Just being happy really, I think happiness brings successfulness for me. If I'm happy, I know I'm going to go out there and enjoy myself.
Just being me, being the person I am. I'm not trying to be anyone else.
And when it's sunny, like, I've got so much more energy and that desire to go out and do stuff. So for me, it's the first thing I do in the morning is the most important to start my day.